Welcome to Cloud Tech Nexus tutorials. In this tutorial, we will focus on Laplink PCMover Professional 11. See Laplink website for full list of product versions and features. This program is meant to migrate data into operating system, not to overwrite it. For full image backup, Laplink has a product called Disk Image. This chart describes the difference between Express and Professional. If you plan on doing a live transfer, it's best to get the box version. Usually the cable is included, otherwise you may use or purchase a transfer cable separately. Here are some examples of migration scenarios. This scenario is called an in-place upgrade. This is not live, this is offline where the migration file is backed up to storage media, the operating system is upgraded. Then the migration file is restored to the same system. This scenario is similar, except the migration file is transferred to a different system with newer hardware and operating system. The old system information is not deleted. Laplink has a program called Save Erase if you would like to completely wipe the hard drive on the old system if you plan on donating or selling the old system. This is the scenario that will be demonstrated in this tutorial. This scenario is called live transfer. Ethernet or USB cables are used to transfer data from old system to new system in real time. Cables can be purchased from Laplink or third party. This is an advanced scenario if you have a failed system but the hard drive and operating system is still intact. Removing the hard drive and using an external hard drive adapter, then connecting to new system is an option. This is also considered the fastest way to transfer the data. The downside is you have to remove the drive. If you are comfortable removing the drive and the drive is not encrypted, the system doesn't have to be disabled. And if there is a considerable amount of data to transfer, keep this option open. Laplink also has an adapter for this scenario as well, or use your own. Steps in the following order. Here are the supported operating systems. Let's migrate the profile, settings, and apps from Windows 7 to Windows 10. A USB flash drive will be used to save the migration file. Here are the programs that will be transferred. Adobe Acrobat, Photoshop, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Office. Opening Chrome and checking for bookmark. Our single bookmark is here. Checking for profile data. files are in different folders. Internet Explorer has custom homepage and bookmarks. Microsoft provides a link shown here. Windows Easy Transfer is not available in Windows 10 and PCMover Express is no longer free. Click link to purchase here. This link is where you can purchase at a discounted rate. Keep in mind the Express version does not transfer programs. To visit the official website, go here. web.laplink.com. Full library of programs are here. Find link to download professional version. You may buy now and download. If you need transfer cables, these are also available for purchase. Once program is downloaded, run setup. OK. Next. Accept terms. Next. Next. Install. Next. Uncheck box. Finish. Search powercfg.cpl. Change sleep settings to never if applicable. Search firewall.cpl. Allow a program or feature through Windows Firewall. Once installed, make sure PCMover is listed. This applies if using live transfer. If not listed, you can manually add. Run Laplink PCMover. From the first screen, you have the option to live transfer or offline transfer and advanced options. Let's choose advanced options. Let's choose file-based transfer. When using external media, make sure it's formatted with NTFS or EXFAT partition and there is enough space. Next. Connect USB media. With This Is My Old Computer selected, browse. Create a folder and name migration file. Save file to US media drive. Next. If you choose Next, PCMover will transfer all profiles, settings, and whatever programs it can, unless you choose to customize. Let's choose Customize Transfer File. From here you can see what items in particular to transfer. Let's look at all the folders and files. You can single out folders or files you do not want to include in the transfer file. You can deselect profiles as well. This can be useful if you only want to transfer a single profile. Also, this can be useful if you are moving to a new system that may have smaller hard drive space. Select other files to find the profile folders and files. Here you can single out any other profile if applicable. Select Advanced to customize settings. Transfer items such as printer drivers, email, Internet Explorer homepage, and more. Select File Filter to include or exclude file types. Applications is the key feature of this program. The application module has 3 sections. Confirmed indicates items that will transfer without issue. Likely indicates a better than average chance items will transfer, and not selected means items will not transfer successfully. Next. Create transfer file. Once transfer file is created, finish. Close PCMover. Eject USB media. Switch over to the new system. Checking installed programs. Adobe Acrobat, Photoshop, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Office is not installed. Internet Explorer has Google homepage and no bookmarks. Checking profile for any files. You can migrate even if there are files already in the profile, but this is not recommended. If you migrate to a profile with folders and files that have the same name, this can cause conflicts. Once PCMover setup is copied to the new system, run the installer. OK. Next. Accept terms. Next. Next. Install. Next. Uncheck launch. Finish. Search. Power and sleep settings. Change screen and sleep to never if applicable. Update and security. Make sure there are no active updates. Search firewall. Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Check if PCMover is listed. If PCMover is not listed, change settings and add PCMover. This applies if you're using live transfer. Allow another app. Right-click PCMover icon, open file location. Copy path. Paste path. Select PCMover, open. Add. Make sure all boxes are checked. OK. Connect USB media to new system. Double-click PCMover icon. Select Advanced Options. Select File-Based Transfer. Next. Select This is my new computer. Browse. Search USB media for PCMover migration file. Open. Next. Enter information and serial number. Next. Next. We will not edit the profile, so select Close. Close. Transfer time varies by how much data is being transferred. Once transfer is complete, you will be asked to restart system, view optional details, or select Finish to restart system. Finish. Notice the desktop icons added and the background has changed. Checking if programs transferred to the system. Adobe Acrobat, Photoshop, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Office have successfully transferred. Checking if Internet Explorer homepage and bookmarks transferred. Homepage and bookmarks transferred successfully. Checking if Chrome homepage and bookmark transferred. Homepage and bookmark transferred successfully. Let's check the profile folders. Profile data transferred successfully. Let's test Adobe Acrobat. Acrobat works without issue. Let's test Photoshop. Photoshop works without issue. Let's test Word. Word transferred successfully, however, you will need to reactivate the license. Reactivation may apply to Office Suite as well as other programs. User profile, settings, and applications has successfully migrated from old system to new system. This concludes how to use Laplink PCMover Professional 11. All steps complete. Thanks for watching.